Morning students, welcome to the SST class. Today I'd like to discuss through this video the climate of India and different seasons in India. These two things we are going to discuss in this video. Before we go to the discussion, we should know the definition of the climate. What is climate we should know. Definition means what is climate we should know. So what is climate? In fact, climate is the average weather condition, the condition of the weather. What is condition of the weather in a particular region for a long period of time in terms of its humidity, in terms of its temperature, in terms of its precipitation, and in terms of the wind blowing in that particular region. All these factors that affect a particular region for a long period of time, that is known as climate. And so it is not less than 30 years, not less than 30 years. So it is a climate. It is known as climate. So climate refers always, it is the condition of the weather. It is for a long period of time. It is not short period of time we are talking about. And so India being the large country, India is not a small country. It's a large country. One of the it is the seventh largest country in the world. Seventh largest country in the world. And so it has got various physical features. And various weather condition, various climatic factors created in the country. So India being a large country experiences varied climate condition in different parts of India. Along with the other factors, the climate of India is strongly influenced by the monsoon wind. Yes, I said wind blowing, monsoon wind. Why? The wind that blows from the sea to the shore, to the landmass, that it brings the moisture with it. And when it brings the moisture, it forms the cloud and there is a precipitation. The rainfall, different parts of the region experience rainfall. That is why the monsoon wind plays an important role in the climatic condition of India. Did you understand? India, the monsoon wind, excuse me, when monsoon wind plays important role in the climatic condition, in the formation of the climatic condition of India in various parts of it. It remains the altitude. One is another factor. Here it is though not written, but yeah, it is written altitude. So there we will see in the next paragraph, in the next point that of our discussion is the reason why what are the factors, reasons or the factors of formation of different kinds of climate. Not one kind of climate, different kinds of climate. Why? What is the reason why we have different climatic factors? So number one is the location of India. Which part of the world India is located? This is very important to know, because the India is a spheric, world is round, and the sun rays falls on the earth in different parts, in different measures, in different temperature, different angles. And so temperature is important part of the formation of the climate. And so sun rays, how much sun rays we get. So India is located in the northern hemisphere, my dear students. India is located in the northern hemisphere, and the Tropic of Cancer passes through it. Tropic of Cancer passes through it. That means India is not receiving the very strong sunlight, and therefore India is having not very cold, not very hot. It is moderate. it is moderate. It is not very hot as in the equator region. So it is not. It is getting slanting sun rays from the sun and therefore it is not very hot. Not very hot. So due to its climatic condition it has got different seasons. The temperature does not vary much with the changing of season. The part of India in the north of the Tropic of Cancer lies away from the equator. Yes, away from the equator, and therefore moderate temperature. I said no. Therefore, India has got the moderate temperature. Next one is the distance from the sea. How far is India away from the sea? We know that India is a peninsula. India is a peninsula, and it is covered with water bodies on three sides. In the east is a Bay of Bengal, in the west Arabian Sea, and in the south Indian Ocean. And therefore it is very close. It is not, but many parts of India, interior parts of India, are away from the sea, and therefore the areas, regions, or the places where which are closer to the sea, they have got the moderate climate, and the interior parts of India like Delhi, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, and all that area, they have got the hot climate. So it is a extreme climate because they are away from the sea. During the summer it is very hot, and during the winter it is very cold. Yes, that is what. So distance from the sea is very important to know. So you go that we just read. India has a long coastline. The coastline areas like Madurai, Konkan coast, Chennai, Gujarat, and all that area have the moderate climate condition because the influence of the sea. They are neither too hot or not too cold. They are humid, but it is very humid. Humid, that means the air contains water vapor. That is called humidity. Humidity. So what is humidity? The amount of water drops present in the air is known as humidity. However, places in the interior part of India, such as Delhi, Lucknow, Bhopal, are influenced by the sea, are not influenced by the sea, and therefore they experience the high and the low temperature. That's what we have said. No, during the summer they are very high, very hot, and during the winter it is very cold. Next one is altitude. Altitude is the height. How height is India located from the sea level? What is altitude? Altitude is the height from the sea level. Sea level. So the temperature decreases with the increase of the height, and if therefore I say always that the higher the altitudes, lower the temperature, and lower the temperature, higher the altitude. No, lower the temperature, higher the altitudes, and lower the altitudes, higher the temperature. So that is what it is. For example, mountain area of Leh and Ladakh and Srinagar, they experience very cold, whereas Jaipur and all that are Delhi, they are very hot. Physical feature is another one. Physical, yes. So that is what the altitude. Next one is the physical feature. Himalaya is another mountain, then desert and forest area. All these are. So Himalaya plays an important role in blocking of the monsoon wind that comes from the Indian Ocean or the Bay of Bengal, which causes precipitation in India. Precipitation in India is in the form of snowfall in Himalayan region, and in the plains and the rest of the country, rainfall. However, the rainfall is not uniform in India. Why? Because of the various physical features. Some of the area is dry, some area is high, some area is low, some area is near the coastal region, some area is having full of forest and all that. Some areas receives heavy rainfall while some area remain dry. That is about the physical feature. Because of the physical features, very physical features in India. Climate is affects the human life also. Human life is affected very much with the climatic condition of the place. So lifestyle of the people depend on the climatic condition. So the variations in the climate affects the life of the people in the forms of their food habit, their clothes they wear, the houses they live in, and the work they do. So these are the things that are majorly affected. For example, food. Food of the people are influenced by the climatic condition of the place. In coastal areas of India, fish is most popular food. Why? It is because easily available. Rice is the staple food of India, as the climatic condition of India are mostly suitable for paddy cultivation. Crops like bajra are popular in Rajasthan since it has got the less rainfall. People living in the high altitude areas such as Ladakh in India are dependent on the animal meat. Why? Because they have no place. They do not have the climate also according to which they can do the cultivation of the crops. No, not possible. Next one is the cloth. Cloth they wear. Loose cloth in the summer and the woolen cloth in the winter we wear. And that is, so people, those who are in the cold region, always they have got the woolen clothes, and those in the plains they have got the light cloth, cotton clothes. Shelter. Shelter means houses. What kind of houses they live in? What kind of houses they build? The designs of the houses is different in different regions in India is determined by the climatic condition of the place. The area with heavy rainfall and snowfall and rainfall such as Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Goa and Kerala, the houses have got the sloping roof. Sloping roof they have to prevent the collection of water and the snow. In hot and dry areas such as the Rajasthan, houses are having thick walls. Thick walls. They have got the flat roofs, thick walls and flat roofs. Some areas like the Assam, where there is chances of flood always, every year. Houses are built on the stilt. Stilt means the wooden pillars. Wooden pillars. See in the book it is on page number 90. You can see very well the house, the tilt house. Very nice house built on the wooden pillar. On the wooden pillar. So dear children, this is what the things that are affecting. Next one is the occupation of the people. Occupation of the people also is affected due to the climatic condition of the place. Agriculture is most popular occupation of the people living in areas that have got climate suitable for agriculture. Fishing is most popular for occupation in the people living in the coastal area near the sea. During the winter month, where the outdoor living is not easy, the people people of Kashmir live indoors. And what they do? What is their occupation? They inside their house they do the carpet, the indoor work, the work which they can do at home, making carpet and handicrafts. Animal rearing for milk, meat and skin is most popular occupation of the people living in mountain areas, whereas the agriculture is not possible in this area. So agriculture is done in the plain regions. Okay. So this is what for today in our discussion we have, and next day different seasons of India we will discuss and then conclude with the exercises. Okay. Thank you.